Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a mod review. And I don't know what's the difference between mod showcase or mod review, but I'll show you. So I'm just going to check out everything that I yeah, so okay, so let me just show you all I actually don't want to spawn for you the whale because it's kind of really enormous and big. Yeah, so I think wait, let me just take a bit and wait. No way. Okay, let me go inside my house. I'm on the creative mode first. Creative mode. This scared me. Just that. So I'm gonna show you the examples. Okay, so let me just show you the fish first. This is how the fish looks like, and it only can be in water. Okay, don't it actually can jump, but see, yeah, no, I want you to sit down. Don't kill it, okay? Yeah, so you look at this and slowly die. It doesn't actually give anything out, so yeah. So this iron has spawned as a big first. Okay, so this is the butterfly. They got the blue with which color? And this color. Oh, never mind. You just download this. This is the moth. It is. Oh yeah. Yeah. So this is how the tropical. They're really pretty. There are different kind of patterns. If you want a fish tank, it really doesn't work so well. So this is the collection. Yeah, so these are all of them. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they actually give out salmons or other stuff. Yeah, so yeah, they actually give the salmons or other. I actually collect. Oh, they some actually give clownfish, but this is the angler. Yeah, so it's actually a hostile mob, so it can't actually spawn. This is how the manta ray looks like. Yeah, so you actually kill it. When you kill it, you come. Okay, so this is going to die. So let's see what's give out. It actually give out nothing also. So let's see the biggest giant whale. Yeah, this is how the whale looks like. It's really big. Yeah, it give about very like blood. I don't need to get hurt, okay? So actually the whale inside looks like this, and it's almost dying really. So this is how it died. Whale mostly is in the water, so it takes a long time to die actually. Yeah, it actually takes really a long time to die. If you want to kill one, you'll be one of the best killer. You actually see there's only 2, but if you collect them, it's actually 12. That's a lot. I've never seen a lot that is the biggest one. So I show you tropical fish, butterfly. Okay, now let's onto the cricket. So let's take away this. Actually, the cuter one is actually the tropical fish because I don't know why they're searching their own. I actually have the furniture mod, yeah, and the trees one, and the enchanted biomes one. I didn't know I have it. How did the lapis? It's quite weird. Wait a minute. Why does it look like this? Oh, they're different. So let me show you the other. Okay, so I actually have. Okay, so this is the snake, and what you do is probably don't see what it will spawn in the page, I think, because most of the videos show one page. I think it will help you. So it doesn't give out anything. This is how the small page looks like. So here's the bird. There is the green color. Yeah, I think this gets all. Okay, so let me show you the mouse. The mouse really looks cute. They really look cute, but I don't know whether they kill you, but I heard that rats really kill you. When you hit it 3 times, it will die. I don't know why. Yeah, it will watch. Be careful of where it's going. You will not be like other animals just like sheep. So these are all okay, so this